Hello everyone, today I am going to talk about the moon falling concept, which deals with the argument that why the moon does not fall to the ground but revolves around an orbit, even though any object that we release above the earth's surface immediately start falling towards the ground. Now, why does any object start falling towards the ground? We know that it is due to gravity. Now take this example where you are on the ground and you throw a ball in this direction at certain speed, then you will observe that the ball would cover some distance and then it will fall towards the ground. It will cover some distance, say for example 20 meters in 1 second. Now even if you release the ball from this point directly towards the ground, it would cover 20 meters in 1 second. That is an obvious case. Now let us take this example where you start increasing the speed of this ball. Then you will observe that it will cover farther and farther distance, but still it will fall 20 meters in 1 second. Now let us observe this by some perspective. If you are on the earth at this point and you project the ball in this direction at faster and faster rate, you will observe that the ball will start falling around the earth, and there will be a speed at some point such that the ball will regain its original path. Now there is one question, that at what speed the ball will regain its original position. Let us investigate that. Now this is the earth, and this is the direction of the velocity of the ball, and this is the direction of the fall of the ball on the earth's surface. Now we have already discussed that the ball is falling on the earth at 20 meters in 1 second. Let us consider this fall to be S and this direction or the velocity of this ball to be x, and velocity is nothing but distance traveled per unit time. So in this situation, whatever distance we are considering per unit time, that is per second. Now this is the diameter of the earth, and you can see that the direction of the ball is tangent to this circle, and the diameter is perpendicular to this tangent. Let us draw a parallel line to this velocity, that is this one. And now we can see that this is the diameter of the earth's surface, and we can draw a triangle such that the other two sides of the triangle makes an angle of 90 degree to this semicircle. This is also one of the property of the circle. This is equal to this, that is its length is also s, and this is equal to this, so its length is equal to x. And let the diameter of the earth be d. That means this becomes d minus s. Now let us consider this point to be A, this to be B, this to be C, and this to be D. Now in triangle ABD and ACD, this angle and this angle both are 90 degree, and let us consider this angle to be theta. Then since this is parallel line, so this angle is alternate to this angle, so this becomes theta, and this whole angle is 90 degrees, so this angle becomes 90 minus theta, and since this is 90 degrees, so this becomes theta. So in triangle ABD and ACD, angle BAD is equal to ACD, that is theta and theta. Also this is 90 and this is 90, so two conditions to make these two triangles similar has been satisfied. So, triangle ADB is similar to triangle ADC, so that means the side would be proportional. Opposite to this angle theta is S, so S divided by opposite to this angle theta is X. Will be equal to opposite to this angle, that is this angle is 90 minus theta is also X, and opposite to this 90 minus theta is D minus S. So from this, if you take this X on the other side, X square will become S into D minus S. From this equation we know the diameter of the earth, we also know the distance by which the ball is falling. We can easily find the speed at which the ball continuously fall towards the earth. That means the ball is trying to fall towards the earth, but since the earth is continuously curving, so the ball cannot reach the earth's surface, and hence it start moving in a circular orbit. And that is the same case with the moon.